traders, Anthony here. Okay, we're looking at the Euro Yen on the daily. What we're going to do with the video is get into the nitty gritty with this and plan a trade. So when I see this, now we've got a nice rounded base, we've got a big bullish engulfing candle, we've got the classic pullback. Everything is pointing in the right direction for trend reversal, pull back down into our fib zone here, and we get an opportunity. Not so fast. All right, but what I'm doing with this higher time frame is kind of shaping up the concept. What do I want out of this? What I'm seeing on the chart. So with that in mind, I'm looking for the pullback by trend reversal, get in early, right? That's the concept. So with that concept in mind, we go over to this chart here, and I want to explain how all this works with that. I'm using my indicators, but this is all about price action and market structure. So whether you are using indicators or you're not using indicators, doesn't matter. It's completely relevant. But what I'm going to do is show you how our indicators give us the opportunity and how we work the indicators to our advantage. All right, so I've got set up on here alerts, all of this. I've got this alert brings my attention to the fact that we've got a range breakout at a really key point in the chart. So we've got a range breakout here, and I mean that's an important alert, that one. And then we've got these lower time frame alerts as well that work in conjunction with the higher time frame. Range breakout, I see this, okay, fine. What do I want to do? Okay, so I want to go long on the pullback. I've got to look at the information that's in the chart here. We can see immediately from this that, see this white line here, this is a monthly pivot. This golden line is a weekly pivot. And we've traded up into a key level of resistance. We've got a weekly pivot showing here, and then we've got daily pivots under here. We're going to plan our trade around these levels. If my concept with this is go long on this pullback, okay, how do we work that? Well, we want this 4-hour alert to fire, and the second alert that's going to fire here, if we get it, I mean, again, this could trade south and we abandon the idea, but we work this. Okay, so if we get another one of these green in succession, this one's market is out of under the cloud, so this is a break into the cloud, and it's telling us that we have a range breakout. That's what it's designed to do, is to tell us when we get a range breakout. They're the trades I take, range breakouts. We broke this range and we've got that. So the next signal on the 4-hour that confirms a trend reversal is a second one of these breaking out of the cloud, actually. Here it is here, break out of the cloud. There's our trend reversal confirmation, bearish. There's our break into the cloud from a bullish trend, break into the cloud, and then there's our trend reversal confirmation. So this is a range breakout right here. Break of this range. All right, break of that. And then the opportunity presents itself. So come back to this. We're looking at this shaping up. So with that in mind, we've got levels, we've got everything we need. We can go down to our lower time frame. So I work this on the 4-hour, 1 hour, 30, and the 15. The 1 hour and the 30 are really what get my attention in the first place, and you can see them. Like, I mean, here's our two signals. We've got a break into the cloud and a break out of the cloud. That's our range breakout on the 1 hour. Cue then to look for the pullback, and we're always going to be looking for the pullback into, all right, we have our channel thing here. We've got our mean, the pullback. Now this is overextended. We've got a signal here to trade it, counter trend. Pull back into the mean, and this is where we look for the opportunity then to go long, because the idea, the concept is we're looking for a trend reversal, higher time frame. We've always got to have that in mind when we go to our lower charts. We're looking for this to potentially range through here and then give us an opportunity to jump in long. So we do that on the lower time frames. We've got these. Now on the 30, we've got similar. So let's have a look at the 15, all right? When we go to the 15, we need to keep in mind what our objective is. And you can leave these charts open. Let me just clear everything. If you want to have the 4-hour chart in front of you so that you're reminded of what you're supposed to be doing, because you can get lost if you open the 15-minute chart and then you've got all this stuff going on. In fact, here's the thing, right? All right, here's our, okay, there's our concept. This is the 4-hour, looking at it from the bigger picture here. So this is what we're looking at on the 4-hour. We saw this rounded base. We have this bullish move here. So we're looking for the pullback. So let's grab the fib and we'll pull it from our low to the high. So we're reminded of what we're doing. There it is, right? So with that, now we go out, lower time frame. Actually, there's one thing we can do with this, and we'll leave that there. So we've got the reference. Let's just go back out. What you can do on the 4-hour is you can move some of these levels across. So we've got a weekly, so we'll do that. So I mean, this is prep. You've got to do this with every trade you take. You have to prepare. You got to plan your trade. This is the work that goes in. What have we got weekly? Level weekly. All right. So I'm going to sync these over to the lower time frames. Sync in chart layout. Sync in chart layout, and then we got some dailies. So let's go back down to our 15 now. We'll open that up full screen, and we've got a plan of, we've got a map, we've got a plan of attack. We're looking for, this is our key entry level generally around the 50 to 618. So what we need to see here is the market to start ranging. However it works itself out, it's going to find a range somehow through here. It might be, whether it's higher or lower, but it should start to do this, like it did here, right? There's the range. There's the range. So we're looking for the range breakout. Now, our idea is we want to go long. So we wait. And on the 15-minute, here's our cue for the pullback to go long, is when we get two green up triangles in succession, right? So we've traded out of the cloud bearish now. I'm waiting on a green triangle. As soon as this starts to range, it could be here, who knows? I don't know where this is going to go, but at some stage it's going to find support, and it will do that, and then it will create some sort of balance area. The signals, we'll get it. If it breaks out of the range, we're going to get an up arrow signal. It's going to fire over here, and then we're going to wait for the second signal, up arrow green. And that's our cue to take our trade. And we go back to our 4-hour chart, whatever. We're looking for this. See this? All right, we're looking for that on the smaller time frame to shape up for us. Well, that's our cue to go long. I don't want to make this a long-winded video, but this is really important. Okay, range breakouts using the indicators, and it'll tell you. So on the 15-minute chart, it's getting a bit messy now, but let's clear it all up. On the 15-minute chart, we just need to have our alerts, and I've got it. Trend channel alert, 15-minute, once per bar. I want it to pop up, and I've just written in here 15 minutes save. All right, we're waiting for that. Okay, potential, trend reversal, get in early. That's how I do it. All right, wait for the setup. Let the market invite you in. All right, that's the key. So guys, with that, gain access to my Telegram channel, my private channel. This video is going to go in there before it goes public so that my members get this first. Get this as an opportunity shaping up, and then I'll make this video public later on. So if you want real-time trade ideas and what have you, join my Telegram channel. This is the opportunity that's potentially shaping up. Gain access to the indicators and the alerts. Click on the link below and join me in this journey, and let's make money together. Okay, with that guys, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next video.